So earlier today, I put out a video talking about why I thought Ethereum was soon going to break $1,000. I put out that video when it was in the $900 range. I think it was $930-ish, roughly. I don't remember the exact price at the time of that video, but since I put out that video, Ethereum has officially broken $1,000. Very, very interesting. Depends on what charting data you're using. I know on my chart right now it's not showing it, but it has technically broken $1,000, which is a huge milestone for Ethereum. Now the question on your mind is now a good time to buy Ethereum? Is it too late? That's probably a question running through your mind. Now, obviously, hindsight's 2020. You wish you could have been buying Ethereum all the way back here at $300. You wish you were buying it then. You wish you were buying Ethereum at $140 back March 24th, right? You wish you were able to do that. And of course, hindsight is 2020, but you cannot go back in time. There's no way to do that. So you have to just move forward. So is it too late to invest in Ethereum? Is now a good time? Well, is now a good time is a little bit more complicated. So we're mainly going to focus on, is it too late? And the quick answer is no. Ethereum, relative to Bitcoin, has a lot of room to run, and it's not hitting Bitcoin in a negative way. I own Bitcoin too. I am just saying that Bitcoin has already surpassed its all-time high. Ethereum hasn't. If you're new to crypto, an all-time high basically means the highest price of that asset or of that cryptocurrency it has ever reached. Now, Ethereum's all-time high is $1,400, okay? $1,400. We've only just barely broken 1,000. Now, Bitcoin is probably going to hit 40,000 relatively soon. Not soon, but within the few months, I would say. And with doing that, that is basically doubling its all-time high. Now, if we expect the same for Ethereum within the next 3 to 4 to 5 months, we could possibly see Ethereum doubling its all-time high, which would bring the price of Ethereum to just under $3,000. That, of course, is because with the all-time high of $1,400, roughly, give or take, that would put a price of Ethereum basically doubling its all-time high at about $2,800, which is just under $3,000. So, is it too late to get into Ethereum? I don't think so, and nothing said here is financial advice, but you have to look at Ethereum relative to other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is very likely going to double its all-time high this year. If Ethereum could at minimum do the same, that would put its price at just under $3,000. Okay, now, is that the final price of Ethereum? Heck no. I think Ethereum could very easily hit $5,000 by the end of 2021, okay? I think that's a very doable goal with how things are going. One key thing to look at is DeFi. DeFi applications expected to grow over the next 12 months. DeFi is a big part of Ethereum right now. It's not its only use case, right? There's other things going on. We have, many different decentralized applications or dApps being built on the Ethereum blockchain, but DeFi represents a very cool and new, relatively new sector of utility for the Ethereum blockchain. And what we see here is people locking up their Ethereum in these DeFi protocols, which basically is taking it out of circulation, at least temporarily. This, of course, could lead to a reduction in supply of the circulating Ethereum out there, much like how we've been seeing with Bitcoin, the supply shortage. Demand goes up, supply shrinks, prices could go parabolic with Ethereum. Now, you have to keep a level head. This is not me trying to hype everything up. There are risks involved. You do want to, it is up dramatically from where it was, so you have to take that into account, right? But just keep in your mind, the one thing I want you to take away from this video, keep in your mind, Ethereum has not yet even reached its all-time high yet. There is a lot of room to run, okay? Keep that in your mind. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share this video. Comment your thoughts down below. Are you investing in Ethereum? Do you own Ethereum? I really want to hear your comments in the comment section down below. I'll try and reply to as many as possible. And that's it for this video. I hope you'll have a great day. Keep on hodling, and I will catch you next time. There has never been a better time to get a VPN. Right now, PureVPN is giving 62% off of their 1-year plan and 88% off of their 5-year plan if you use my link in the description. That again is 88% off of their 5-year plan and 62% off of their 1-year plan. If you're worried about hackers or intrusive government gathering your personal information, look no further than PureVPN. But you have to act now because this discount will not last. Once again, click the link in the description.